Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick breakdown on Supabase versus Neon, so you actually know which one to choose in 2026. So Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative with hosted Postgres, real-time APIs, authentication, storage, and edge functions. It's great if you want a full backend stack fast, with solid SDKs and a big community. But Neon, on the other hand, is a serverless Postgres database built for modern apps. It separates compute and storage, so you only pay for what you use, and it also scales automatically without you managing servers. So Neon focuses more on just the database side with great performance and cost efficiency. So if you want an all-in backend platform with authentication, real-time, and storage, Supabase is usually the better choice. But if you need a scalable, serverless Postgres database with pay-as-you-go pricing, and you're handling other backend pieces yourself, Neon makes more sense. So your choice really comes down to whether you want a full backend solution or a highly scalable, cost-efficient Postgres database. And that's it. So that wraps up our breakdown on Supabase versus Neon. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.